Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you few commands that you can use in the Filter Navigator in ServiceNow platform. So basically here you use to search for the modules, the tables, the application, in this case self-service, for instance, application, and everything here as a child is like a application module. But besides that, only search for things, you can use some handy commands here, and I will show you a few of them, and it's interesting. It can make your uh, dev life easier. So yeah, first you need to know the name of the tables. So for instance, incident. This this one is it's easier, right? So we have two commands important like incident. Yeah, and you can say, okay, I can search for a table here and click in the module, but if you want to show the table without any filter, because the modules, the application modules, you have like open, probably is the state new or not resolved. Here you are going to the incident table just for showing only resolved incidents, and here is all. So the command I'm gonna show you, when you put the name of the table and you add dot list and press enter, you are going to the whole table without any query here, any filter. It's interesting. For instance, if you want to go to the business service table, which is cmdb ci service.list, yeah, you can see always all. Using the table.list, you are going to see the whole table, the whole records without any filter. These now, maybe if you're a junior, can sounds like not a big deal, but sometimes it's useful when it's hard to find something here, or there is no application module and you know the table, you want to go there. So yeah, it's interesting. Also, next one is the config.config. So this is yeah, you can access this via mouse, because when you go here, let's come back to the records, and in these three dots, if you click, you can go to configure and all. Basically, yeah, I'm showing you. If I click here, configure all, you can see all the configuration involved in this table, around this table, like business rule, client scripts, everything, notification, Y actions, ACLs, and so on. And you can also come here via this .config. Yeah, let's keep incident as an example. So if I type incident.config, press enter. So the same view, all the configurations involved in the incident table, for instance. Another thing is you can use the same commands, but after the dots, you can type in capital letters. So if I do this to list, it will do the same. We will open the list of all incidents, but in another tab. When I press enter, it's interesting. Also to config, so I will open the same we are seeing here, but in another tab when I press enter. Yeah, it's interesting, right? Yeah, at least for me, sometimes I use this. Uh, Another thing is when you want to open a new record, you can use .do, and then a new record form will open for the table you put here, in our case instance. So If I type incident.do, the ServiceNow will open a new record form for incidents. Also works for, yeah, in the case in this case doesn't work. Sorry about that. Yeah, actually .do I don't use too much, but yeah, it can save some time, can be handy to you. So next one, this is not related actually with tables, but you can use from the filter navigator here. And it's interesting, this one, when you want to know more about the instance you are using, like release, patch, the version, and so on, you can use this command stats.do and press enter, and you will see some information regarding the instance, like the release, when we release it was released, yeah, more information. Sometimes, yeah, this is not, I don't use too much, but in my job sometimes I don't remember which patch or which version we are, some usually the patch, but yeah, also interesting. Okay, and another one, it's useful when you have like a big instance and then you do something and it's really slow to like refresh something. You know, maybe you make a change in the portal and then you can see when you go to the portal. So sometimes it's nice to clear the cache of the instance, and by clicking cache.do and pressing enter, you are going to uh, flush, in this case, like wipe the cache, wipe out. So and the, yeah, the service now show you the percentage free and so on. Also here in this, when you click and when you are in the cache view, if I can uh, call in that way, you have the clear cache again. And if you see here, left bottom corner is basically the instance, and slash cache.to. So when you do this, the system automatically clean the cache to you. In this case, it's a demo instance, nothing here, really small, really light instance. So yeah, guys, hope you like it. For me, I used some of these uh, hints, how can I say, comments, and yeah, that's it. See you in the next video.